How to identify car models using Google Lens. So hello guys, if you want to know about any car or any type of model of that car, so how you guys can do that? So it was very easy. For that we'll simply use Google Lens. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it Google Lens app from Play Store. So let's click on Lens app. Once we click here you guys will see open camera. In my phone it says screenshot, so in your phone it will be different folder. So if you have that car in real life, you guys will simply click on open camera and capture the pic of that car. And if you have pic online, like I have that pic of that car and I want to know that car model, so I will simply click on that. Once I click on that, Google Lens will automatically detect the car, and here we go. It says the product in the image is JX-T9, like the car model. And also when we scroll here, you guys will see all related matches. So that's how you guys can know the car model using Google Lens. Thanks for watching.